Your shop sold 12,000 dinars this month. Are you rich? Careful. Revenue is what came in the door, profit is what actually stayed with you. This trips up almost every beginner, and honestly, it trips up business owners too. They see a big sales number and start celebrating. Then the salaries go out, the rent goes out, and the bank balance says something very different. So let's fix this in 3 minutes, using one small shop and real numbers. Picture a tea shop. 1 month, it sells 12,000 dinars worth of tea and snacks. That 12,000 is revenue. The top line. Notice what revenue does not care about. It does not care what the tea leaves cost. It does not care about rent. It does not care that the owner still owes the supplier. Revenue only answers one question. How much did we earn from selling? That's it. And here's the trap. Revenue can go up while your business quietly bleeds. Sell more at a bad price, and the top line looks incredible while nothing stays behind. So in the books, that sale is one simple entry. Debit cash 12,000, credit sales 12,000. Two sides always. Notice something? Not one cost has touched that entry yet. The sales account genuinely shows 12,000. It is not lying to you, it is just not the whole story. Revenue is chapter 1. Nobody has paid the bills yet. Now the bills arrive. Tea leaves, milk and snacks cost 5,500. Two staff salaries, 3,200. Rent, 1,400. Electricity and gas, 400. Add those up. 10,500 dinars gone. 12,000 minus 10,500 leaves 1,500 dinars. That's the profit. Same shop, same month, same 12,000 everyone was celebrating, and only 1,500 actually stayed. Look at what just happened. The revenue went up when the sale happened. The costs went down against it. Two sides again, and profit is simply what survives that subtraction. Here's the part nobody tells beginners. Imagine the shop sells 18,000 next month, but hires a third staff member and pays more for milk. Costs jump to 17,000. Revenue up 50%, profit down to 1,000. Bigger top line, smaller bottom line. Got that? Good, because that single idea is why cash-rich looking businesses still close down. So, one rule to remember. Revenue is the first line of the income statement, profit is the last. Everything in between is cost. When someone tells you their business did 12,000 this month, your next question is automatic. 12,000 of what? Sales, or what actually stayed? Ask that tomorrow, in your class, in your job, anywhere. It instantly makes you sound like an accountant. If you are just starting out, this one distinction will carry you a long way genuinely. Take it slow, you are doing fine. Next, I'll break down gross profit versus net profit, because that middle section deserves its own video.